When you try to load a game, it kicks me out of the game saying, client initiated disconnect error code 285. This error might be a Roblox server issue. Check the official Roblox status website for any recent server issues. If all is fine there, head over to Down Detector and see if any issues are in your local area. If all is fine on Down Detector, you should check internet connection, power cycle router Wi-Fi and restart PC. Shut down your computer. Power down and unplug the modem and the router if you're using one. Allow to sit for 60 seconds unplugged. Plug in and turn on the modem and router, and allow them to completely boot up until the front panel connection lights on the modem show a steady connection. Start the computer and allow it to completely boot up, then check if the issue has been fixed for you or not. If all is not working, I sadly cannot help you other than asking you to contact Roblox support. If there is an outage in your area, be patient and wait until Roblox fixes the issue.